Hey everyone, today I will tell you how ChatGPT make me fluent in just one day or one week. So let's start. Let's open ChatGPT and as well uh, start our and beginning the video. So first open ChatGPT and first we ask ChatGPT um first first write I am a I am a uh, beginner. I'm a beginner. Okay, guys, you write it. Hey ChatGPT, I am a beginner in English language. What I should do in my daily basis? So I paste it and what should give ChatGPT? Okay, daily English routine for beginner. Uh, let's easy to English practice or story YouTube short example and second speaking practice. Thin number no 10 minutes reading practice, 10 minutes writing practice, 5 minutes vocabulary practice, 6 minutes grammar rules, 7 create an English environment. Total time needed for 45 to 40 minutes daily. So if you prefer and if you like any points, choose and according to you and practice. I ask some different. So and if you want, I can create a 30 days English uh, speaking speaking challenge for you. Would you like to that? Then you can also uh, write k I can I practice 30 days, please give me 30 days plan. Then you give me 30 English plan. So I write it. um, Give me you go anywhere in my example I am in classroom, so you write it. I am in classroom. Please please give um 10 words and sentences related to classroom. Send, then give me words. Give me teacher teacher ask teacher is explaining the lesson. Student uh, every student listening carefully. Number 3, blackboard, the teacher wrote the notes on the blackboard. Number 4, notebook, I am writing the sentence, I am writing the answer in notebook. Number 5, classroom, like that. If you what you ask, ChatGPT give me. And like next ask mm, mhm, I am in market. I am in market. Then market. I came to market to buy some vegetables. And shopkeeper, the shopkeeper is helping the customers price. I ask the shopkeeper for the price for tomatoes. Number 4, my mother likes to b- bargaining for better price. Number 5, vegetables, like. If what you ask, ChatGPT give give you. So if you want, you ask anything ChatGPT related to English and you will learn daily. If what you ask and then you go somewhere, like you travel and give me, I travel, like you give any location, then okay, I only ask travel, travel, and then travel. Give me charge travel related word. Travel word. Travel, I love to travel to new places. Journey, the journey was long but enjoyable. ticket. I book my ticket online. Bus. The bus arrived at the station on time. Train. We are traveling by train today. You what you ask ChatGPT gives really and more like everyone use ChatGPT but they don't know how to use ChatGPT. Everyone use ChatGPT but they don't know how to use ChatGPT wisely and informative mission. They only some people click photo and upload it and give the answer like that. But in related to English related content, so what you ask like and I also write give me uh, 30 days 30 days English speaking routine. R O ROUTIN routine. Then what it gives? Give me 30 days English speaking routine, and you also follow this like that. And this day I also practice this day. I usually use ChatGPT around 1 2 hour 3 hour fast. Build your basic day 1 to day 7. Understand simple sentence, build confidence like of fast days. Learn self introduction. How to introduce yourself. Example speak. My name is Virahans. 2 minutes. And day 2 learn daily routine sentences. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I I exercise. I eat breakfast like that. Day 3 learn each MR. When you use each MR, I am a I am a doctor. He is a doctor. They are calling me like that. Speak 10 simple sentences daily. And if you in short, give me short answer day 1. And first you want like ask, give uh, give me day 1. And you ask give me day 1, then give give me day 1. What happened? Hmm. Fail to send what? Hmm. Okay, what happened to guys? Okay, next write it again. I write it again. Give yours day 1. Give day 1. Next give first day. I say in before self introduction practice. Speak confidently about self introduction 1 to 2 minutes. Give me 10 like learn these sentences like give. He gives 10 lines. My name is Shatrughan Hans. Not say I say my name. My name is Veera Hans. I am from India. I am studying diploma in electrical engineering. I am learning English to improve my communication skill, and I practice English every day. I like listening to music and reading spiritual books. In my free time, I play with my parrot and go for walk in nature. My goal is to speak English fluently and confidently. And make your own 1 minute introductions. He gives like that. He given paragraph. And step 3, practice speaking 2 minutes every day. Like she say your introduction without reading. If you forget something, no problem, just continue talking. Speaking flow in more important than perfection. Step 4, learn 5 words. Introduce, tell me someone, who are you, confident, practice, communicate, improve. Day 1 completed. Then you ask, then day 2, he give day 2 like that. I said day 2, then day 2 he give day 2 routine what. And day 2 daily routine speaking practice. Goal of day 2, step learn these easy daily routine sentences. Give I wake up at 6 in the morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a bath and get ready. I eat my breakfast. I attend my class like that. And number 2, 1 minute daily routine script. Ready to speak. What you ask ChatGPT? ChatGPT gives really. These days ChatGPT is more very important application to learn English, and if you use wisely, then what makes you don't know. Learn 5 hours daily routine things. And okay, and I will give And what you ask in ChatGPT really gives amazing and interesting topic. And if you really like guys, if you practice in ChatGPT in 1 month, then definitely you can improve. And only don't ask, you also apply in your life. Practice daily, like speaking. You speak like read, and you speak with you, like speak like fast day gives you mm, travel. I love to travel to new places. You learn travel, then use I love to travel new places. I love to travel new cities. Travel journey. The journey was long but enjoyable. The journey was very hard. The journey is very interesting journey, like that. Ticket. And you also ask like you ChatGPT these days is very famous and in terms of English or anything. So if you like this video, please like this video, and what you learn in this video, please comment me. And if you want more related to ChatGPT, please comment me. I will create and make part 2 of ChatGPT. Okay, next, tata, bye bye.